is something that we in the Philippines will have to discuss for ourselves and decide for
You're not
ourselves.
talking naman about a junta.
Dito, malinaw na aware si Marcos sa katotohanang ang mga miyembro ng military ay mga ordinaryong mamamayan din at nirerespeto niya ang kanilang mga individual na pananaw at opinyon, isang bagay na makikita nating ipinapraktis pa rin niya hanggang ngayon.
No, not necessarily. Not necessarily. You see, there is an idea, especially from the Western governments, that the civilian authorities over the military should be paramount. I agree with that. But whether or not the military should be allowed to make themselves felt as citizens is perhaps another question that we in this country, paano mo ngayon paatrasin ang ramo sa politika? Hindi na naman sasabihin, let us now suddenly declare that all military people are not allowed to involve themselves in politics. That would be crazy because you just couldn't do it.
Siyempre
They
naman,
are-
dahil at sila
nandyan na-
botante din.
Hindi lang sa ganun, nandyan na sila. Pinapag-usapan natin si Greg Hunasan kung tatakbo o hindi. Nandyan ang paano mo sasabihin,
Kung
sige,
tumakbo siya, iboboto mo ba siya?
si Greg, depende sa plataforma niya. And so far, sa pinapag-usapan, yung napapag-usapan, he is still reformist. And what he intends to do, what he has said that he would do,
Does it impress you?
it seems to jive with much of my thinking. So I would like to get into it more. I would speak to him about it. But on the face of it, I would say that perhaps we would have much in common.